It is said that there may be many problems in a human's life, but if he is passionate, he will find the way to success. The one who has proved this right is Nitesh Pandey, who hails from a small village, Singha, that is 25 kilometers away from Kushinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Nitesh's father is a farmer, but Nitesh did not want to do farming. In fact, he wanted to do something in computers. There were many hurdles in the path that Nitesh chose. Nitesh belongs to a middle-class family. So because of financial crisis, he didn't have many options to choose after completing graduation. But finally, he chose a good option and decided to do a computer course named COPA from ITI that is situated in Hata, Uttar Pradesh. In COPA, they guide you about computer along with ITI and in the operations.
I got him admitted in the government school and then in a private school. But sir, you can understand, our 3 children were studying in the school. It was difficult to educate 3 children. So later, I got him admitted in ITI in Hata. After joining and after completing his studies, he went to Chennai, he worked hard there and completed his education. And today my son has reached the heights. It is Lord Shiva's blessings. We didn't have a proper house to live in. The roof would drip when it used to rain. The entire room used to get filled with water. We worked very hard and got him admitted in ITI. We are proud of him.
By facing many problems and difficulties, Nitesh was getting closer to his goal. With his hard work and dedication, he won everyone's hearts in ITI.
At present, I am in ITI campus, Kushinagar, from where a brilliant student had made this institution proud. Today, all of us are feeling very proud of him. And you know, this boy's name is Nitesh Pandey. He passed with flying colors from COPA. He scored 90% marks in 2020. After that, from CITS Chennai, he again scored 90% marks and made us proud. He is now posted as a software engineer in Indore. There are 12 job operations in our institution, like means plumber, fireman, electrician, filter, COPA, machinist, surveyor. Like this, we have 12 job operations. For the bright future of the students, we provide all the facilities to the students so that there is no hurdle in reaching their goal.
By proving himself, Nitesh scored 90.5% and became a topper in the institution. And he gained fame for himself.
So my journey started from ITI. So I got admitted in ITI and went through the syllabus of ITI. There I learned the basic fundamentals of computer, like how it works, how it operates. Then I got curious because when I started programming the language like JavaScript, HTML, PHP, and I was the topper of the college. After that, I got admitted in CITS. I qualified the entrance exam, got admitted in CITS and went to Chennai.
But Nitesh wouldn't stop here. Now, Nitesh was moving towards CITS Chennai. All the students helped Nitesh at every step of his education. Nitesh scored 89% with his hard work and guided to the commended path.
In NSTI Chennai, my trade was computer software applications. There I got a strong hold on computer like core Java, HTML, Thesis, RPHP and many other. ITI plus CIT, both the courses are best for me. I could know about intermediate and advanced also. I could learn about programming, and after that I thought why not appear for interviews. So then I got placed at TechValence Software Limited in Indore, and there I'm working as a software developer.
The result of this is that Nitesh is working at the highly reputed company TechValence as a software developer and contributing to the company's growth. With his work and skills, Nitesh has impressed everyone at his workplace. In a very short span of time, Nitesh has earned so much fame for himself. Nitesh gives the credit of his success to ITI Hata and CITS Chennai. These associations have outshone his hidden talent and has shown a new way to move ahead in life. Nitesh showed dedication towards his work and laid the foundation for his future. This is how he became a self-made man.
My journey started from ITI college. I had chosen COPA trade from ITI. I had no idea about computers back then. I didn't know how to use or operate it, but when I got admitted in COPA, I slowly started learning about it and how to use it, how it works, how to write code. After my joining in Indore, I have learned a lot here. Like, I found great mentors here, faced problems, I made mistakes, but later on I learned from them. And today, I proudly work as a software developer here. Thanks to all.
Nitesh completed his education by facing many hardships. Because of his talent along with studies, he was a topper at his workplace too, and always stood first in all the activities he undertook. Nitesh's story is an inspiration to all the students who are not able to move ahead because of lack of resources. Government institutions like ITI Hata are trying to give jobs to every such deserving student. Because of Nitesh's hard work and his right choice, his future is very bright today.